Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. This is Chandra from RTL Technologies. I'm taking care of complete Oracle Cloud Technologies training and placement. Last 17 years, we are into the cloud technologies with Oracle and Oracle ERP products. And today, we are going to talk about Oracle Cloud. What is Oracle Cloud Fusion applications? What are different job opportunities we are going to have? So we are going to have 3 demo sessions. Demo 1 will be discussing first, what is cloud? What are different cloud companies we have in the market? What is Oracle Cloud? What are different products we have in Oracle Cloud? What is Fusion application? What is Fusion applications HCM? What are different jobs we have in Fusion applications HCM? And what are the prerequisites are required? What is the syllabus? And we'll just have an introduction, just environment, Fusion applications. How the application looks like Oracle Cloud Fusion applications. That's going to be the demo 1 here. In demo 2, tomorrow we are going to talk about what is FSM, Functional Setup Manager, what is Security Console, how to hire an employee, will be discussing. Demo 3, we are going to have, means on Monday we'll be discussing about enterprise structure configurator. How to configure an enterprise structure. Means enterprise is nothing but a company. How to implement software to a company. The basic one example we are going to take, and we'll be discussing about enterprise structure configuration. Okay, so these are the 3 demos we are going to have. So after completion of these 3 demos, you will have an idea about the course and also the software, about Fusion applications and cloud, and what is human capital management, what we are going to learn, whether we are eligible for this course or not, and how about the job opportunities like that. And after that, we will be continuing the general batches. From Tuesday onwards, the regular sessions will be started. I request everyone, please attend all these 3 demo sessions. Today, Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday and Monday also, on the same time and same meeting ID. Whatever we have these sessions, we are going to record and we'll be uploading in the YouTube channel. All the 3 demo sessions will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. I request everyone, please subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates about the cloud of Oracle and the job opportunities and trainings and placements and future batches and latest features about the product, that all you are going to get it. And in our training sessions, every class will be recorded and we'll be sharing through Google Drive. You can download and go through those videos multiple times when we are working. Okay, so let's come to the first demo 1. First, we'll talk about what is cloud. We'll talk about what is cloud. So cloud is nothing but indirectly it's a virtual server. Cloud is nothing but indirectly it's a virtual server. We are already using the cloud. Everybody is using the cloud nowadays. How we can say that we are using the cloud or not? For example, everybody is having a Gmail account, right? When you are using the Gmail means indirectly you are using Google Cloud. Whatever the mails you are going to enter here, right? That's not going to be stored in your local machine. It's going to be stored in the database, Google Cloud database, right? In Google servers. It's going to be stored in the Google servers. Everyone is having the Facebook account, right? So where this Facebook information, whatever we are posting or sharing, or we are going to comment, where this information is storing? Is it storing in our local machine? No. Is it storing in our office servers? No. Where it is storing? It is storing in the Facebook servers, Facebook company servers. Let's say if we go for LinkedIn, one of the professional network, public platform, right? So when we go for LinkedIn and whatever the postings we are going to see this here, this all data is stored in the LinkedIn servers, right? Microsoft servers. So this all virtual servers, we will call it as, this all virtual servers, we will call it as cloud environment. So cloud is nothing but a virtual server. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. This is cloud is nothing but a virtual server. This cloud, whenever we have virtually, how we can connect to this cloud? How we are going to connect to the cloud? Means how we are going to connect to the servers. So for example, LinkedIn server is there. How I am able to connect? I'm going to enter the URL and I'm going to enter the username and password, right? And through internet. So we need a through internet only we will be able to connect. We should have a fast internet connectivity. Okay. So cloud is nothing but a virtual servers. Virtual servers. Why this cloud is required for the companies? Right now, there are number of clients are there. There are number of retail industries, automobile industries, telecom mobile, banking mobile, insurance sector, education sector, industry, entertainment industry, and manufacturing sector. There are a lot of transportation sector, tourism sector, government sectors. All these different sectors, people are using the softwares. Without software nowadays, it's very difficult to run the business, right? So all these people, all these clients are using right now their own servers. Let's say MRF Corporation is there. MRF Corporation, or let's say we will go for, yeah, yes. MRF Corporation is there. It's one of the MRF tires manufacturing company. They'll manufacture the tires and they'll sell these goods to the different customers, and they'll be buying the raw material from different suppliers. They are going to manufacture the product, assemble the product, and finally test the product and deliver it to the clients. That's how they will be doing it, right? So this client is having business in multiple countries, hundreds of branches, thousands of employees, some lakhs of customers they have across the world. Okay, so MRF company is using some software. They are using their own servers. They are maintaining their own servers. Now, most of the companies are looking for the cloud due to some reasons. What are that reasons? The first reason is cost effective. Cost effective. So if you are going to maintain your own servers 24/7, you should have security and you have to take care of the DBAs and you need to take care of the installations, updates, and cloning, backup, upgradation, migrations. This all we have to take care. So this will cost more for the client. So the second one is migrations. For example, today you have installed one software. After 6 months or 1 year, you want to upgrade to the latest version of that particular software. It's difficult for us. Again, we need to go for upgrade and migrate the data from old version to the new versions. But when you are in the cloud, not required. The cloud companies will take care of that. 24/7, there will be a support. when we are in the cloud. Whenever you can pay. So there are some tools or products in the cloud. Whatever the tools or products are required, you can use those products or tools. Whatever the usage you have done, for that only will make the payment. Whatever the products or applications you are using, for that only you are going to make the payment. So most of the clients nowadays, they are trying to move their applications into the cloud instead of maintaining their own servers. If you take MRF Corporation or ICICI Bank, or if you take AirAsia, or if you take Jindal Steel, almost all the companies, all big companies nowadays, they are trying to use the cloud instead of using their own servers, because it is very difficult to maintain all the huge data in the current servers. The cost wise is very different compared to the cloud and individual servers. Okay. So most of the clients, when they are looking for cloud environment, then there are number of companies that started cloud services. Obviously, when there is a demand in the market for some technology or for some formula, obviously the clients, people will start the business in that, right? So when the clients are looking for a cloud environment, there are number of companies who have started cloud services, customers. So who are in the first place in the cloud? Amazon Web Service, AWS, Amazon Web Services, AWS. After that, Google Cloud, then Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, like Oracle Cloud. Like this, we have different companies. So all these companies we are going to have. All these companies we are going to have. So what these companies will do? They will provide this cloud for the clients on tenant basis, means a rental basis. For example, if MRF company wants to use the server, if they want to buy a server, let's say the cost is 2 crores, the cost of the server, because they want to maintain the huge data, some thousands of employees are connecting to the server and lakhs of customers are connecting to the server. Obviously, they have to maintain high-end servers, right? So if they want to maintain the high-end servers, they have to invest a lot of money. And let's say, example, the server cost is 2 crores, complete infrastructure. Server cost is 2 crores. What these cloud companies are telling is, instead of investing 2 crores, why don't you pay 2 lakhs per year or per month and use the same server, all your employees, all your customers, all your suppliers. The same configuration, same services, the same way you are going to get a faster. So why don't you use this particular server? Instead of buying the server, maintain the separate server and complete cost and taking care of it. So this cloud companies are going to give the same server for a rental basis. That's what we call it as a subscription. In IT language, we call it as a subscription. If I go to Amazon cloud and if I ask them, I want to use the servers in your servers for 1 year, they'll say, I'm ready to give 1 month free. You can use my servers 1 month free. After that, you can decide which server you want and you can pay the amount for 1 year and use that servers. After 1 year again, if you want to increase the capability, you can increase, or if you feel that it's not required that much of configuration, you can decrease. It's up to your requirement. There is a flexibility for that. So See the difference between the individual servers. Let's buy the server, have the server room in your office, have the 24/7 so server maintenance and taking care of, and how much time it will take for configurations, this and all. What these cloud companies are telling, just pay 10% of that particular server cost for us per year, then start using our servers. How we can use their servers? We are talking about, yes, Amazon is ready to give the servers. They have the servers. You might have heard Amazon company has started data centers in Hyderabad. Oracle has started data centers in Mumbai and Hyderabad. Recently, Microsoft has mentioned that we are going to establish data center in Shamshabad, Hyderabad, near Shamshabad airport. So they are going to establish the data centers. What is the meaning of data centers? Data center is nothing but group of some thousands of servers. There is a cloud computing architects. There are cloud computing architects are there. What they do is they'll take care of the complete cloud computing layers technology, and they'll be providing the services to the customers. There will be some thousands of servers maintained by those architects. Okay. So what these companies are doing is they are going to establish the data centers in every country, almost in every country they will establish data centers, and they will approach the customers. For example, Oracle is there. Oracle is telling that we have established data center in India, both in Mumbai and Hyderabad. You can see that. You can Google it. Oracle data centers in India. Just search. Oracle launches second data center in India, both in Mumbai and Hyderabad. They have both. You can see that. Oracle has launched its second data center in Hyderabad, quickly expanding in the country after its first such center was unveiled in Mumbai last year. Okay, so this is the news which we got. When we got this news, it's around 1 year back in 2021. It is 2020. Yes. So what is the meaning of data center? Data center is nothing but a servers. Servers are maintained by the Oracle company over there. What Oracle company is telling to the customers is, why you are maintaining your own server? We are here to maintain your servers. I have already purchased high-end configuration servers, and those servers are there in my data centers. I have a very professional people, experienced consultants in the latest technologies. They'll take care of the servers 24/7 with high security, your data. No need to worry about the hackers or any performance-wise, application-wise. 24/7, your servers will be up. So you can forget about your server maintenance. We take care of that. Okay. So that's the story behind the data centers work. So like that, the people have started the business in the cloud. There are a number of cloud companies. I mentioned only 4 because these 4 people are top in the market. There are a number of people, like we have Salesforce Cloud, right? This all people are there, services. They are providing the cloud to the customers. Okay. So now most of the clients, 90% of the clients is planning to move to the cloud environment from the on-premises. On-premises means from their individual servers. So far, if you look at last 20-25 years, every client used to buy the server, keep their server in their office, in server room. They used to maintain separate room and maintain the security for that 24/7 power, 24/7 internet, and taking care of entire administration and the DB activities. Everything they used to take care. But the same work, what these people are telling, we will do it. Why you are taking a risk? By investing a lot of money and maintenance charges and all, just pay some less amount and we are ready to provide the complete service for you guys. That's where the cloud has came into the picture. The people, first one is Amazon Web Service. Amazon company has started cloud services first in 2005-6, they started around 15-17 years back. After that, Microsoft company has started providing the service to the clients. Then Google company, then Oracle company has started in 2015, around 7 years back. And Salesforce, of course, is there. But the top 4 companies are these 4: AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. Okay. So this is about what is cloud. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server, and why this is required for the clients. When the client wants to develop the applications, earlier they used to maintain their own servers. Now they want to go for maintain their complete software applications in the virtual servers, nothing but in the cloud environment. Due to some reasons, due to these reasons, they wanted to maintain all their applications in the cloud environment. That's why clients are approaching these customers. Okay. So these are different cloud companies are available here. It is. Okay. Is everybody's clear? Any doubts here? Please. Anyone is having doubts? When your smartphone crossing the capacity like 64 GB, then you will try to store all these videos or pictures or documents or contacts, all this data, you will try to store it in your Google Drive, not in your mobile. That's called a Google Cloud. And you might be using some other companies. Now recently OnePlus company has started OnePlus Cloud, Microsoft Cloud. Like that, when you are not able to manage the data in your servers, then you will take the help of cloud companies. What cloud companies will do is they will provide the best service for very, 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 very less price with the high-end security and service. That's why the people look for the cloud companies. Yes. Next, what is Oracle Cloud? Okay, we said that now we are talking about what is Oracle Cloud. So obviously Oracle Cloud is nothing but Oracle servers. Oracle Cloud is nothing but Oracle servers. Okay, so whenever Oracle customers are there, then Oracle is telling to their customers or to the new customers, when you are maintaining your own servers, if you are facing an issue and if you feel that it's going to be a burden for the organization, maintenance and other things, then you can go for, then you can go for taking care of this cloud and you can start using the cloud environment. Right. That's how it will work. Just 1 minute, please. Yeah, is clear my voice? Just now network has changed. Okay, fine. So Oracle Cloud is nothing but indirectly Oracle servers. Oracle Cloud is nothing but Oracle servers. So in this Oracle Cloud, means in Oracle servers, we have different products. Now we'll discuss what are those products available here. We have Oracle database. And we have Oracle Business Intelligence, BI tools, reporting tools. We have BI reporting tools. And we have ERP tools, ERP products. We have. What are the ERP products we have? We have Oracle applications, ERP product. We have Fusion applications. And then we have PeopleSoft. And we have Siebel. And we have NetSuite. And we have Oracle Analytics Cloud. Again, one of the tools. Oracle Analytics Cloud tools, ADF tool. Apex. There are small products also. There are different products are available. Here it is. And VBCS, Visual Builder Cloud Service, and DBCS, Database Cloud Service. We have JCS, Java Cloud Services. These are different tools and products available in the Oracle Cloud. So whenever any client is coming to the cloud environment, what client will ask is, if I come to your cloud, what are the products available in your cloud? Or what are the tools are available in your cloud, so that I can use those tools and start building the products and use it for my business, or I'll try to sell those products to the market, to my clients. It's up to the requirement. Okay, so whenever any client wants to come to the cloud environment, first thing what they do is they will verify what are the different features are available in the cloud. Means in your cloud, any tools are there? Excuse me. How about the products? How about the products which we have in your company? And are there any open source tools? Open source tools means you don't need to go for pay the amount for usage of those tools. You can just go for use those tools without having any license, means without making any payment, and you can start building the products and sell it to the customers, or you can use some products. So like that, in Oracle Cloud also, there are different tools and products are available. Those things you don't find in any of other cloud companies. Even though Amazon Web Service, Microsoft, Google companies are started this cloud business very early in 2007. They started early. Oracle came into the cloud market in 2015. These three companies have started the cloud business in 2007. But now Oracle is going to be a big competitor for these three cloud companies. So Oracle Cloud is a big competitor. How come this is big competitor? Is very simple. Oracle has got #1 tools in their cloud service. So what the clients will think, if we move into the Oracle Cloud, if we move to the Oracle Cloud, we can use all these tools and we can build the applications and start using those applications for our business or for our customers' business. It depends on the requirement. It depends on the requirement we are going to do that, right? That's how it's going to be work. Here it is. Okay. So these are the different things are available in the Oracle Cloud. Now we are talking about this one. Now we are talking about Fusion Applications product. So we are not talking, or we are not learning the cloud. We are not learning the cloud here. We are just trying to understand first what is cloud, what is the purpose, why the clients are looking for cloud environment, and what are different cloud companies are there. In Oracle Cloud, what are different products are there? What are different technologies or products or tools are there? In that, which technology we are using? In that, which technology we are going to learn? That is called Fusion Applications. Now we are talking about this Fusion Applications. So Fusion Applications is one of the ERP product. So what is Fusion Applications? Fusion Applications is one of the ERP software. So what is Fusion Application? Fusion Application is one of the ERP product. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Whenever there are some enterprises, who are doing the business, to maintain their business in a proper methodology, they will be using this software. We can call it as ERP is a product or software or application. It may be a product, or it may be a software, or it may be an application also. So enterprise is nothing but a companies. Enterprise is nothing but a companies. Let's say example in India. In India, let's say we have Heritage Foods Private Limited. It's one of the retail company. And Heritage Foods has got around 500 branches. They got around 500 branches. Please give me to change the network. Give me 1 minute, please.